welcome back to Rand Street. Today I'm going to be doing a DIY project again. I am doing a upholstery on a chair. It's going to be my reading chair, my reading nook if you want to say. And so I'm going to show you where I've already started. I've done the seat cushion that you actually sit on, and I'm doing the inside, but I'm going to show you what I've done so far. So if you like videos like this, don't hesitate to hit that like button, don't hesitate to comment, and don't hesitate to subscribe. I won't force you or anything. So yeah, let's get started with today's video. So this is what I've gotten so far. This is the yellow that I'm going with. You can't really see right here, but this is the whole chair. It was this kind of mauvish gray color, and we're going to this yellow right here. And then you see the brown woods, which I really like. I was going to paint it white, but I'm going to keep it brown. And so we got one part done. My dad tried to do this over here, but I think I'm going to take it off and start from scratch, but I don't know yet. But yeah. This is the before. Okay, I'm about to do the back of the seat where my back goes, because there's fabric on the back. That's why I'm being specific. I'm using a nail gun, and let's get to it. See how it folds. It looks pretty good. You want it to curve like this. So I feel like I did a pretty good job. I'm just not ready to sew. I'm not ready. Okay, and now I'm just pushing it into the seams right here. I'm breathing kind of hard. I'm gonna have to cut some fabric because it's kind of lumpy, but we're gonna do that, and then I'll be done with the back part. So I couldn't figure out how to get the inside arms done, and I'm kind of upset about it. Like, I was on a roll, y'all. And then I was just like, there's not enough fabric to go in. And I keep cutting. So I'm gonna do the back and the actual back that's gonna be up against the wall right here. I'm gonna do the actual back and the arms on the outside first, just in case I'm low on fabric and I have to rig some things. So right now I've already stapled. I'm gonna show you right quick. I've already stapled the hem right here, and it's very secure. So now I'm just sewing with a needle and thread the hem right here to keep this in place so I can cut this extra fabric. And then I'm going to sew this up. I know there's like an easier way to do this, but I just don't have the tools to do it easier, because you could take this off and get the inside done that way. I'm just like, God, that's too much work. So I'm just gonna keep the fabric that's right here on, and we're gonna figure it out from there. So I'm sewing on this seam right here, which this seam right here, I didn't know I wasn't showing it, but it is so, it's hurting my hands, and that's okay. No pain, no gain, right? But it's coming together pretty nice. I think it's pretty crisp, if I do say so myself. I gotta do this side and the other side, and we'll see how I get that done. already started nailing this seam right here, so I can go ahead and cut the excess off. But I think I'm gonna sew the other side before I cut, just so it's secure. So that's what I'm doing. On this all day. It is currently 8 o'clock and I'm finally done with the back. I like how it turned out. Now I'm gonna try to figure out the inside. I'm gonna try to figure out how to do these, and then I'm going to bed. I'm gonna stop for today. I'm just too tired, but I've got one side done, which I didn't show. The back, the seat, and the back done. I'm just so exhausted, but we're gonna get those 3 sides done in the next day or so. Okay, so it's day 2 of the upholstery thing, and did y'all see in the other video like earlier, one side of the arm was like bulging a little bit? I didn't like how that looked, so I decided that I'm gonna put a trim on. So I'm just gonna nail it to get it as close to the trim as possible. Then I'm gonna put as close to the seam as possible, and then I'm gonna put a trim on. And so I've already done the other side the way it is, and I'm about to show you. I'm gonna put a trim here, so I just went ahead and curved it. You see how like cushioned it looks now? That's the reason why I did it. I don't want it to look like this side where it's like bulging. I want it to be like flat. So I'm gonna do that to both sides, and then I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna do this. I'm still debating, because I can do a trim on this too, because you see the other people, they put it like that and then put cardboard, not cardboard, but like, this is cardboard. But yeah, they put this right here to put a trim, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that and just nail it as close right here as possible, because that to me is easier than trying to do this, because it's not flat like this. So yeah, we're gonna do that. This is what it looks like without the trim, but I definitely like this way more than what I had before. And I'm gonna just put the trim on it and call it a day. I'm gonna hot glue that though. That's what the other people did. But your girl did that. That she did. I feel like it looks good. There's extra fabric in there too for security. I really like this. I'm gonna sit in it. How it look? Boss material. This will be my reading chair, and I'm gonna film videos in it, so I hope it looks nice. My hands hurt from using this nail gun, y'all. Now I gotta do this. We'll figure it out. Oh. Your girl. Oh. Watch out. We're gonna go this way, cause this way. Some guys only about that thing. it stop? Right there. This is the last side, by the way, and then I'll be done, and all I need to do is the trim. So, no wonder my back hurts. Okay, so I just finished the last side of the chair, and I'm about to cut the excess off. I'm so tired. I was telling my mom how I was like, I don't know how they did this in the back. I don't know how they did this back in the day by hand, because it hurts doing it by hand. But that's why somebody invented a better way. But your girl can't afford the better way, so we had to do it the old school way. But the whole process gave me something to get up and do, which I really enjoyed. I like having a set plan for the day, and my set plan for the day was to do this chair. Ooh. Couldn't get this story out of Alright. My hands hurt, but I'm so glad that I am done. I'm about to show you the reveal. Hi, so it's like a day, 2 days later from when I finished this chair, and it's already getting a lot of use. Your girl has been almost fallen asleep in this chair like 4 or 5 times already. It is so comfortable. I feel like it was meant to be in this room. But I almost forgot an outro, so I said let me come back on here, do an outro. I'm very into DIY, doing it yourself stuff, so if you do want to see more things, I do have a chair that I'm supposed to be doing soon, and that's gonna be it for a while. I don't see myself doing any more DIYs, but I'm gonna film that and post it because I just enjoy doing that. And yeah, this video was supposed to go up on Wednesday, but album of the week got pushed back to Tuesday, so this video is going to be going up Thursday, as you can see. And I really enjoyed doing this. It gave me something to do. It always gets my blood flowing when I have a itinerary for the day. So yeah, your girl did that. Almost forgot something. Almost forgot to tell you guys how much this upholstery project cost. So the chair was $25. We got it from a Habitat Restore here in Huntersville. So that's a pretty good price, only $25. And then we got a roll of fabric, which was really big. It was $8, which was a steal. And then my dad bought staples, which were around $5. So altogether, this upholstery project cost $38, which is amazing to do this, because usually these chairs retail for about $100 to $200, and I only got it for $25. So sometimes DIY is also the cheaper option. But thank you so much for watching this video. If you do have any videos that you would like to see me do, like hauls, wig reviews, any of that of the sort, just let a girl know. You can like this video. Like I said on the album of the week video, I'm gonna stop saying subscribe to my channel. Whoever subscribes to my channel just subscribes. I'm not about to pump and prod you guys for that. So I apologize for the videos that I have been saying that. It's just something I've been seeing other YouTubers do, and I'm not even an official YouTuber, I don't think. I just make videos and post them, so yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you have a great day. I hope that God continues to pile blessings upon blessings upon blessings in your life, because he will do just that. And I love you guys so much. Peace out.